In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a job using LinkedIn in Australia in just 5 minutes. LinkedIn is a powerful tool for job seekers, providing access to countless opportunities and connections. Whether you're looking for a career change, starting fresh in a new field, or aiming for that dream job down under, following these steps will set you on the right path. First things first, open your web browser and go to linkedin.com. This is the starting point for accessing the vast network of job listings and professional connections that LinkedIn offers. Once you are on the homepage, you'll need to log into your LinkedIn account. You have a few options for this. You can either sign in with your Google or Microsoft account if you prefer a quick one-click solution, or you can proceed using your email address and password. Make sure to have those handy. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, which is a good security practice, you'll need to take an extra step. LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account, sending a code to your phone number. Simply enter that code when prompted to gain full access to your profile. Now you're ready to dive into job searching. Take a look at the top of your LinkedIn homepage and click on the jobs icon. This opens a world of career opportunities from companies all across Australia. Once you've clicked on jobs, you'll need to make use of the search bar located at the top of the page. Type Australia in the second bar to filter job postings specific to this region. After entering Australia, press the enter key and you'll be presented with a plethora of job listings available in the country. From here you can browse through various job positions and tailor your search criteria according to your preferences. Whether you're focusing on a particular industry or city, LinkedIn offers filters to narrow down your search results, making it easier to find jobs that match your career aspirations. As you explore the opportunities, remember to carefully read each job description, noting the skills and qualifications required. If you find a position that interests you, consider tailoring your LinkedIn profile and resume to highlight the most relevant experiences and skills. Keep an eye out for job postings that offer easy apply, which allows you to submit your application directly through LinkedIn in a matter of clicks, saving you time and effort. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to efficiently find a job in Australia using LinkedIn. Dive in, explore, and make the most out of this powerful job search tool. Good luck, and may you find the perfect opportunity to advance your career.